So you want to destroy stuff like a pro in Blender? Then you're in the right place. Welcome to Model Crafted Hub, and let's destroy stuff in Blender. First, delete everything in your scene and add a plane. Scale it to make a platform. Now I am going to import a mug which I made previously. Click here to know how I made this. Now in order to break this, we will go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, and type Cell Fracture. This will allow us to break stuff. Now click on the mug. Press F3 and search Cell Fracture. Click on Cell Fracture. Click OK and wait. After we are done, we will delete the reference mug. Click on any random piece. Go into Object, Rigid Body, and select Set Active. Select everything. Go into Object, Rigid Body, and select Copy from Active. Select the plane. Go into Object, Rigid Body, Set Passive. Play the animation to preview. Now I am gonna add some materials. Click here to know how. After adding materials to one pace, you can select every marble pace, press F3, and search link materials. Now I am gonna render this. Click here to know how. After you're done, go into Render, Render Animation, and wait for Blender to render your animation. This is how it should look like. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe because it will help me out a lot.